iCab Mobile is a great app to get videos off of Discovery Streaming. So I'm going to click on iCab Mobile. It is a browser that allows you to download. So I already have my Discovery Education in the iCab Mobile browser, and I've already selected a video that I want. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to hold my finger down on the arrow and choose Download File. And then over in the corner, the right hand corner, there is an arrow, a down arrow, which shows that it has successfully saved. So now I'm going to just tap on it, and I will be given these options, and I'm going to save video in the album, which I've already done. Now the other thing is, if I hold my finger down on top of it, it will give me applications that I can send it directly to. So those are your two options. Now I'm going to go into a program that I use for green screening. It's called FX Studio. So I'm going to open this up, and this is what I'm going to show you how to do with FX Studio. So basically, what this app does is it allows you to green screen directly using the iPad. So I'm going to show you the parts of how I went about doing this. The first part is to get the movie that you have downloaded as an effect. So if I click on the blue box up here and I choose My FX, I can import off of my camera roll, as you have seen that I've already done. So I'm going to import from the camera roll, and I can go and I can find the video that I just downloaded and bring it up. Since I've already done that, I'm going to skip that part for right now, but you can see that I have done other footage also for a crayfish video that I'm going to work on. The next step that I will do is that I have to use my camera to do the work in front of the green screen. The reason why I do this, even though FX Studio does allow you to do it right within the app, is because it allows me several takes. So I have all of my students do it on the camera before getting to this app. So I already have what I need on my camera roll. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to create a new project. To create a new project, I'm going to hit the plus and I'm going to give it a title. And I'm going to choose high quality. And I'm going to import from the camera roll. Now this part is going to take a little bit longer than what it'll appear like on your screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shorten this a little bit, because this is just a demo video for you. And then I'm going to click on Use. Now you can't see this on your screen right now because the app sort of extends it right to my computer, but what's happening is it is currently processing the video. So I've clicked on Use, and now it's importing the video in. And unfortunately, I just can't get this app to work around that feature with Reflector, so you'll see what I'm talking about when you go in. This part takes a little bit, the importing of the video. That's why I tried to make the segment a little bit shorter. The next step is that I am going to get the option to select a chroma key colors. Okay, it says, does your video use a green screen or a chroma key? And I'm going to click on yes. Now I'm going to click on the color that I want to cause to disappear. So I'm going to let my reflector catch up. And as you can see, I clicked on the green, but now it's taking a little bit out of my face, so I'm going to toggle a little bit on the strength part right here so that I am not having my face removed. And then I'm going to move the video position down at the bottom just to scan through and make sure that I'm getting the best that I can. And then I'm going to click on Done. And now it's going to take a few seconds to apply the chroma key to the video. So you can see that I have scrolled through You can still see a little bit of green. Unfortunately, this app sensitivity is good, but it's not perfect, and you need to know that going in. The developer is very responsive, and I actually emailed him and he responded back, and he has been providing updates. At this time, you cannot use a background from your camera roll. So for example, if I wanted to use an image from Discovery Streaming, or Discovery Education, I wouldn't be able to do that because the app is not there yet. But he is continuously improving it, and this is the only app that I know of that I can green screen right over the top of a video. So now I'm going to click on no, I don't want any more, and it's going to pull up my video. So I'm just going to wait for a second. Have a delay. And now you can see on the left hand side it says main video. Now I'm going to add FX, and I'm going to go to my FX. There are backgrounds that I can choose also, but I'm not going to do that today because I want to use my subtraction song. Now as soon as I select it, it's going to lay it over the top of my video because this is a layered program. So to change the layers, I'm going to click on the right side where it says Move FX, and I'm just going to hold on those 3 lines and pull it up so now I have moved. And then I'm going to click on Done. Now my big head is in the middle of the screen and I really don't want that. So I'm going to click on Main Video, and then I'm going to reduce my size, and I'm going to pull myself over the main icon of Discovery Education. So now I have this video, and I'm going to click on Compose, and it will take a while for all of the layers to compose. There are more things that you can do with this app. This is just a very general overview. Now one thing you need to know about the app right now is that I have not figured out a way to take away the sound in the video. That is the effects video. So that's the next step that I need to figure out. So instead of waiting here and watching all of these layers compose, I'm going to exit out and show you what the final version looks like because I have exported it onto my camera roll. So here is what it looks like in its final version.
Today you're going to be playing a game called What is the Difference? The object of the game is to compare two numbers using cubes. So each player is first going to take a card.
So this is an app that allows you through iCab Mobile and green screening. FX Studio allows you to green screen over the top of a Discovery Education video.